In the shadows of street racing legends, one machine stands above them all. The iconic BMW M3 GTR E46. Stripped, forgotten, and left to time. But not anymore. In this ASMR car restoration journey, every bolt, every scratch, every detail comes back to life, piece by piece. From rust to perfection, from silence to raw power. This is not just a rebuild. This is the rebirth of a legend.
A direct hit, something heavy. Ooh, looks like it's been sitting for a while. Rusted rims, moss, and mushrooms. How long have these been here? Been here a while. Too long. I think I can save it. Well, that's not good. This is gonna need a lot more than a quick patch. God, this thing is toast. Yeah, that's gonna take some work. All right, let's get this loose. Just a little more pressure. Finally, that's it. All right, time to see what's under here. All right, this is gonna be tougher than I thought. Looks like we'll need the high-frequency sonic cleaner for this one. Almost there. Ugh. Need a different size for this. Got it.
All right, that's the last one. Everything looks good under the hood now.
Almost there. Just got to get this last bit. Yeah, make it perfect. Almost there. Just a little more. Done. All right, that's seated properly. Just need to test the range now. Good, ready to go. All right, perfect. Just got to lock it down now. All right, everything looks good. Just need to check the mirrors. Engaging gear. Ready when you are. All right, perfect fit. Just like that. All right, let's take a good look at this one. Looks solid, good to go. All right, time to torque this final adjustment. Looks perfect.